Today on 2005 Sprinter we are going to replace the churn signal switch assembly. I have to churn and hold, and sometimes it's very inconvenient. Straighten your steering wheel and make sure it's nice and straight, and then disconnect the battery because we are going to play with airbag. And if that puppy deploys, frankly I don't want to go to sleep. Okay, we got T30 Torx. That's it. Airbag is out. Nice and tiny. $10mm Allen adapter. I see a little space in between and a black marker. Somebody already marked it. Just wanna mark it as well. Okay, steering wheel is out. Goodness, so easy actually. Just hang it like that. Your steering wheel have to be straight. Don't mess with this thing right here because the wires going around, and if you happen to mess accidentally with this thing, all what you wanted to do is spin all the way here, which going to take you 4 times, spin all the way back 4 times, and then just get back 2 times. That's it, because your steering wheel only take 1.5 turn. For safety they gave you 2 turns. So like I said, all the way, 2 back, and you're good. But honestly, just leave it like that. Just leave it hanging and it should be good. Okay, this popsicle is next. Okay, all what we wanted to do is disconnect the cruise control lever. That's it, this puppy is out. Boom, man, it is in. Come on, yeah, there we go. Okay, this little wires out of the way. Gently installing. On the mark it goes. I would definitely recommend give it a drop of the thread lock. Ooh, a big drop. This time I got the extension. I think the torque spec says on it around 500,000 pounds. Okay, this is for your signal. Every time when I play with the airbag, I don't want those things to explode in your face. Okay, let's go. It didn't explode. Okay, that's good. Okay, so battery is connected. Let's try it. Кислород. Предварительная. Move your precious face out of the way. Промежуточная. And lift off. Okay, it didn't explode. Huh, weird. Okay, but that's good. Ooh, we got the horn action going on. That's most important. Okay, left turn. Let's go. Yay, finally. Right turn. Amazing. Light. Light is on. High beam. High beam is activated. Okay, what else can we do here? Yeah. That stuff. Okay, emergency light is working. Wipers. Swipe or no swipe. Okay. Okay. Ooh, it's working. It's washing the windshield. Beautiful. It only took me like, what, maybe an hour? I'm pretty sure you can do faster a little bit, since you don't have to take the video. But yeah, I'm impressed. The airbag is the easiest thing on the planet, in the universe, in the galaxy to take it off. Please like, subscribe for new future videos, and have a wonderful day. Please donate me something else. Like I'm tired with the Sprinter. I mean, I love it, I like it, I learn it a lot, but somebody please donate me some kind of old, yeah, Lamborghini will do it. I would love to work on Lamborghini. Ferrari, yeah, F50, that's my love. Alright, peace out.